Hello guys, welcome to my channel Himanshu Verma. This is a marketing channel, so if you are interested in digital marketing, so you can follow me. And today we will discuss about SEO. I think you know if you don't know about SEO, SEO is a part of a digital marketing like search engine optimization, like how to optimize your website uh, without paid like without paying to ads. So if you want to learn about SEO, like how to optimize your website and how to rank higher on Google without paying to Google, organic through organic ways. So okay, let's get started with SEO. Okay, so let's get started with SEO techniques. I am going to share my screen. Okay, one second. Okay, so these are some SEO techniques. Like how can you be a perfect SEO? Okay, so this is a SEO course. You can say it like this. So there are some techniques to get higher ranking on search engine. Like you know what is SERP? You know what is SERP? Like SERP is like search engine result page. Search engine result is where we show all the results, like where Google show all the results. That page is called search engine optimization page. Like this is a search engine optimized page. You can say like this. This is a page. Uh, Search engine optimization where we can see all the results when we search something like what is minimistor talk. So these are the results. Okay, so let's get back to the so like okay, I want to tell you something else. One more second. So you know what is uh, paid ads and what is optimized without paying ad. Like these are paid ads. Yeah, so where the Google show a deal like ad, so these are the paid ads. Google always show on their first page two two paid ads on the top, and I think sometimes two or three paid ad on the bottom, but there is no paid ads on bottom on this list. Okay, and 10 organic searches, like 10 organic results. Organic results is like these are organic results because this is not paid ads. This is fully organic by SEO techniques and so yeah. So this is the first site. You can say this is the first site for this particular keyword ranking on the top. So this is the thing we are discussing today. Like what can be rank higher on our website, or on the first page on the Google, or why not on the top of the list like this. So for this we need to choose our SEO techniques. Okay, we need to do SEO for our website. So okay, so let's get back to the SEO techniques. Like how can we rank on the top on the Google? Okay, so there are some techniques I am writing here. Sorry, I am written here. So the okay, and these techniques are not in order, but okay, I can tell you like what is the most important one and what is the less important one. Okay, so the first is like effectively use keywords. Like you need to choose your keywords very effectively and very consciously, like what are the keywords search people are searching for. Okay, so if you don't know keywords, I will cover keywords on the other video. For this video, because if I cover all the topics, so this video is going to very long. So okay, let's get stick to the SEO. So okay, effectively use keywords and catchy title tags. Title tag is like heading of the title tag is the heading of the website, heading of the site. Okay, so the I can also give the sample of the title tag. Uh, Give me one sec. Where the page? Okay, I am giving you other example like mm, digital digital marketing course. These are the keywords like people are searching for. Like I write only digital and M. So the Google give me some Google give me some keywords. These are the keywords given to me uh, via Google, and absolutely free. Okay, so these are the title tag. Title tag is like digital marketing course for 3 months. These are the paid ads, and the other title tag is like yeah, title tag. Okay, so this is the title tag, like fundamental of digital marketing. So you need to choose your title tag very consciously, like what are the keywords people are looking for. So uh, make sure you use the keyword in your title. You use that keyword in your title if you want to be rank higher on Google for better SEO. It is very important. Okay, so in this video, I am giving you in-depth knowledge of SEO. I think it is a full course of SEO, absolutely free. So let's get ahead, and let's stick with me till the end of the video. I think the video is going to be longer because I don't want to be uh, because I don't want to be share. I want to be share enough knowledge or the full knowledge about the SEO, because uh, I think if after this video you will not uh, you need not to be join a SEO course. Okay, so this is a perfect full SEO course, absolutely free. So the second is okay. So catchy title tag. Like what type of title tag are you using? Like use some surprising title tag or some confusing. Uh, okay, you can use other type of title tags and different type of. Okay, so I will talk to you in other video. And the other thing is short and effective meta description. Meta description is like these 2 or 3 lines which you saw uh, which you saw under the title tag. These are the meta description, like master the basics of digital marketing and the free courses till university is the meta description. And the meta description is given by the Google, or you can also choose your meta description from your site. Okay, so third is include inbound and outbound links. If you don't know about inbound and outbound links, I will talk to you on different video. But okay, so this is do follow, no follow links is very helpful to increase ranking. Like so if someone others give a backlink to you, so give a link to you, I think, if you don't know about backlink, so give a link to you. So and if many sites give you backlinks to you, so Google thought like, yeah, this is a very good site, like other people recommend this site, so uh, Google give you higher priority. So okay, so the title should not be very short or very long. Title should be no, like I think title should, for the title should be, I think, 60 letters, between 60 to 70 letters, not more than that. Use meta description effectively. Use meta description very effectively. Okay. Next is, give me 1 second. One sec. Okay. When you use a web upload important factor. Okay, okay. So this is not for you. Okay. So this is very important point. Like try to cover as much as possible keywords. Like you should choose you should make your content which you includes like different types of keyword, different type of like more keywords, like which if your content is only ranked for one keyword, so if someone search other keyword, then your content will not rank. But if your if your content rank for like 100 keywords, so on Google, so yeah, 100 different keywords, so this is very beneficial. Like if someone type digital marketing, so if your site is related to digital marketing, so your content is showing on that. If the search is called DM is short form of digital marketing, so so your content is also showing. If is the consumer or search is searching for network, oh, sorry, like online marketing and the other thing related to marketing or some particular course, so if your course is showing, so like these type of things, like your website or your content or your blog is going ahead for different type of keywords. Sorry for the like I am, I think my third okay, so let's forget about that. Oh, and you should also use focus keyword in the title. Okay. Do not give more than and this is the advanced. Okay, so this is all for today. And if you like, okay, so this is all for today. And if you like this video, so please give a comment and like on this video. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow again.